You're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, will be appointed to you, sir.
On July 4th, 2024, officers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle who ran a red light. They observed the driver to have red glossy eyes and the smell of marijuana. The defendant admitted to smoking marijuana and said that he left a pool party and was going to a liquor store to buy alcohol. Standard field sobriety test was conducted, 0 of 6 on the HGN, 5 of 8 on the walk and turn, and 3 of 4 on the one leg stand. The officer was also a certified A-ride and conducted an A-ride test. He stimulated 30-second counts. Defendant correctly estimated 30 seconds but swayed at 12. The defendant's eyes did not converge on the lack of convergence test. The modified Romberg, the defendant's eyelids trembled, and finger to nose, the defendant was unable to consistently touch the tip of his nose with the tip of his index finger, touching instead his upper lip and above his nose. The defendant stated he was a 3 or 4 out of 10, with 10 being completely high, and stated he would still be comfortable driving a school bus of kids in his. He was red. Blood warrant was executed and blood was drawn.
So they did the DRE then. Any priority to be honest? How old are you, sir?
19.
What do you do for a living?
Right now, just trying to work to go to college.
Did you graduate high school?
I graduated.
Okay. It's time for you to do something. You either need to get a full-time job or get into school full-time. I'm not going to let you be out here doing nothing all day, smoking weed and playing Xbox. Do you understand?
Sure.
I'm going to test you 30 days from today. You test positive for marijuana. What do you think is going to happen? Right. As long as you stop smoking as starting today, you will be fine in 31 days. Notice that you will get tested. That's it. There's no excuse. If you hang with dogs, you're going to get fleas. I will not accept the excuse that, oh, I'm in a car and there's other people smoking dope and I didn't smoke. I don't care where you're going, who you're with. You test positive, you're going to stay with me. I will have you apply for an appointed lawyer today, Mr. Asma. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring you back in 2 weeks. And I want you to show me what you have done to get a full-time job. If you've done nothing, life's not going to go well for you. You understand, sir? Okay. I order you not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. I will randomly test you. You test positive for alcohol. Likewise, I will put you in jail. You will not get any more PR bonds. That's it. You have a Texas driver license. You are not allowed to drive. You will be signing an affidavit with me today promising me you're not going to drive. The worst possible thing you can do in this short life is get in a car and drive, because you do, facing a contempt hearing, up to 6 months in jail and a $500 fine every time you drive. So I'll give him an application, deputy, please, for an appointed lawyer. So first we get 2 weeks back, and then another 2 weeks after that to come and take a drug test. And then I'll make a notation now so we don't forget.